Technical outerwear not performing like it used to? Clean it right and bring it back to life with Revivex Pro Cleaner. This specialized wash is made for technical outerwear like rain gear and ski gear. Our cleaner doesn't just wash. It improves technical performance by removing dirt, oil, and grime that can block breathability. Toss your gear in the washer with a cap full of Pro Cleaner in the detergent compartment. Then wash on gentle or follow the garment's care label. You can also hand wash. If hand washing, work Pro Cleaner into the garment to loosen grime and prep the fabric for re-waterproofing. Rinse well and air dry, or toss it in the dryer if your gear allows. For rainwear and ski gear, follow up with a durable water repellent treatment to restore water resistance. Proper cleaning boosts breathability, restores water repellency, and keeps gear performing season after season. Revivex Pro Cleaner. Clean your gear so you can stay ready for the next adventure. Discover the full Revivex lineup online or at an outdoor retailer near you.